The mist clings heavy to the fjord tonight. Two shadows moving in the pale moonlight. I check my axe, you sharpen your blade. Side by side, we are never afraid. You want a ghost following in my wake. You're the shield that holds when the mountains quake. A queen of the forest, a wolf in the fray. We march to the rhythm of the iron gray. Equality carved in the runes we bear. The weight of the world is a weight we share.
The ravens are watching from the ancient tree. I look at you and I see me. No step behind, no soul to lead. Together we plant the warrior seed.
Gold in the fire,
Silver in the soul.
two halves of a heart making the circle whole.